Greetings and welcome. I'm on my way to the Drakensberg to celebrate my birthday over there. Hopefully, you are going to enjoy this vlog. This is my view. Just what I want for myself on my birthday. Let me. Ngizohlupheka nilinda lo sisi. Ungangena. Hayi bo. Guys, can you hear that sound? It's a healing sound. Family, let's do a room tour for you. So as you enter the room, this is the coffee station over here on your left, and then on your right it's the wardrobe, the cupboard where you can put your clothes and all of those things. And here it is a desk with the mirror, and here it's where your television is. There is an extra blanket and extra pillows. And then this door here, it takes you to the patio. And then we've got these two seats here in case you want to sit and watch your television. And there is a there's a bench. It is carpeted. Some areas are carpeted, but there are also tiles. And it is there's a heater over there. And this is the bathroom. It has a shower, also has a tub in here. It's beautiful, you guys, it's beautiful. And then it's got this light, I don't know, the Migley one, this one over here, this one. It's warm, you guys. The minute you switch it on, and then the whole bathroom, like it's a heater or something. And then they've got this here, this heated towel rail. I'm so impressed. I like this one. So yeah, one thing about this room, you guys, is that it's very warm. It's very warm. As you know, that Drakensberg is known to be cold, but if you come here in winter, you're not gonna get cold at all, because even the duvet here, it's very thick. And also the roof is dashed, neatly and nicely dashed. Yeah, and the roofs are very high, which is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's giving luxury. It's beautiful. I like it. You guys, I've just received this gift from the hotel. It's a birthday gift. It's beautiful. Yeah. You guys, this is my outfit. I don't know if you can see it because it's my outfit for dinner. It's this skirt. I think it's from Legit, and then this shirt. It's a satin shirt. It's from Fortini, and this little coat. What is it? It's a cropped one. It's from Edgar's. My hoops that are from Fortini. Yes, my watch, you know it. My shoes here, they are from Mr. Price. Who am I? I am a precious stone, not from the bowels of this earth, but from a womb of a woman. I fall, protest, stop, break, fail, crash. Oh yes, I'm not immune to any, but all in all, I choose to see the light. Who am I? I am a vessel, though fractured, but I am still useful. I am an eagle. I soar over limitations because I am strengthened by my Savior. I am a tree planted by the rivers. I am bound to bear fruits in and out of season.